I got the roof that blew off, most of it on. I got to add 2x4s where I cut in sections. I got to shift this one over 1.5 feet. I measured wrong. Was in a hurry to get it up here. I got to add that section, which will kick this 3 or 4 foot this way. But then it'll have the nice 1.5 foot overhang on each end. Wherever I cut it, I got to add 2x4s. Have to go buy them, but it was a lot easier cutting it in 3 pieces. Originally, I put these 14 by 7 foot pieces, almost 500 pounds, up on ramps by myself with a boat winch and come-alongs. Now I just cut in sections, have to buy 6 or 8 2x4s, re-roof it. This is going to be my leather shop. So that's what's going on. I put them poles up there to keep them from sliding on down and have to lift them up again.